Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the background noise removal feature at Snapy. It's a pretty cool feature. I'm going to show you an input video. So this was the video that had background noise from my table fan here, and let me just play it to kind of show you how that sounds like. Alright, this is just a sample removal, and this is how it sounds now. You can see it also trimmed a bunch of silent spaces which were unnecessary in the video. Let me just play it. Alright, this is just a sample significant. So this is the same file that I had uploaded earlier. You choose the trim preference. In my case, I'm just going to keep it default. And then you enable background noise removal. Now once you do that, it takes like a couple of seconds before the video is ready. So it uses AI to remove the silent parts and also remove the background noise in the video. Now I'm not going to wait for it to go through because you know what, let me just wait for it to go through and turn the video back on when it's ready. So it took exactly 45 seconds to edit this video, and this is the video with the background noise and silent parts removed. It's the same audio, so I'm not going to play it again, but I just wanted to tell you it's super simple to use. You can also do it with your audio files by choosing the audio silence remover here. Alright guys, thank you so much and have a good day.